Welcome on the bold topics and I am Anandamai. Every candidate is seen doing vigorous campaigning for the Lok Sabha election in their respective areas. Whom do the public trust? How many seats already get? In this election and both Congress accounts will be clear only after the election. But at present, be it NDA or Grand Alliance, both are seen declaring victory in the election field. On many seats, NDA candidates appear senior and more influential than the Grand Alliance. But Siwan is one of those Lok Sabha constituencies where JDU and RJD candidates are in a direct head-to-head fight, and RJD candidates are considered more effective than JDU. Siwan has been considered to be Shahabuddin areas of influence on the Lok Sabha between 1996 and 2004. He became MP 4 times, out of which 3 times he was on RJD ticket. JDU has given ticket to Vijay Lakshmi Kushwaha, wife of former MLA Ramesh Kushwaha, from Jiradai. Earlier he was in JDU and returned home to JDU in the month of March. In 2015, he was elected MLA from Jiradai 6 on JDU ticket. In the year 2020, Ramesh Kushwaha left the JDU party. Now he comes in JDU party and gets ticket for Lok Sabha election. Vijay Lakshmi Kushwaha is being identified as JDU candidate in the Siwan Lok Sabha seat. At the same time, powerful and very experienced leaders of RJD are in front of them, whose reputation has been very strong. Their humility is the first reason for their popularity. He has had a special involvement in every happiness and sorrow of the people of Siwan. He has been considered a universally accessible leader, whose doors are always open for the general public. Apart from this, he is also a leader with a clear image. He has been elected MLA from Siwan 5 times and is considered very close to the Lalu family. He has been a cabinet minister twice in the Lalu and Rabri government. He was elected MLA for the first time from Siwan, the Southern Assembly constituency, in the year 1985. In the year 1977, he was elected to the post of head of Gram Panchayat Raj. He has been the Speaker of the Assembly. He is very active in social work and also constructed Bhavan Nirman College built. There is a fight between Yadav and Kushwaha on this seat. If we talk about the current MP, Kavita Singh is the MP from JDU. At the age of 26, she got a chance to become an MLA. She is a 2-time MLA and 1-time MP. What is your opinion about Siwan Lok Sabha seat? Who will win? Leave comment, like, share and subscribe the channel.